Hello, welcome back to my channel, Lando Coffee. Here I take you through my coffee routines and review coffees I'm currently sipping on. If you enjoy coffee, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Today I'll be using my Ranchilio Espresso machine and a niche grinder to make an espresso americano from Starbucks Espresso Roast beans. These are the same coffee beans used at every Starbucks when ordering an espresso drink like a white mocha, caramel macchiato, or latte. So this part of the process is very important. Here I turn on the water button to pull cold water into the boiler while at the same time draining hot water. This will cool down the boiler when fresh water enters, causing the heating cycle to restart. You will see the orange light turn on as it's reheating. So once the orange light turns off, you want to wait between 30 and 50 seconds before pulling the shot to ensure the proper temperature. If you skip this process, it's likely your shot will be pulled too hot and you'll have an over-extracted and bitter shot. Okay, now that 30 seconds have passed, let's prep our glass and scale and let's pull the shot. I used 14 grams of ground coffee, so my target weight of liquid was 28 grams because I'm using a traditional 1:2 ratio. Guidelines suggest this all be accomplished in 20 to 30 seconds. So it looks like we made a decent shot of espresso that falls within the guidelines. So now I'm going to turn this espresso into an Americano by simply filling a glass with hot water and pouring the shot on top. This will be similar to a regular cup of coffee, but with bolder flavors. Because we use Starbucks Espresso Roast beans, this Americano should be nearly identical to any Americano you can order at any Starbucks. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos, or leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Cheers!